Yeah, good evening. I am Dr. Ravanan, Joint Director of College Education, retired. I conduct class for last 2 days in the Sona Institute of Management. The arrangement of the class is very nice, and the faculty member of each and every faculty members are very interested for attending this class, and more interaction is available here. So faculties are also more interested, learn more, and it's a purely hands-on training. That's why faculties are highly motivated, and after this program today, feedback is very nice feedback. Each and every faculty members are enjoyed this class and also learn many things through this workshop. I feel more happy, and the hospitality of this institute is very nice one. This is not my first visit. I visited already more than 10 times for this institute, but long back. But nowadays, I enjoyed this class, and all the faculty member and HODs and faculties are very good atmosphere. Thank you.